Hey guys, welcome back to the Panther branch for 2025. This will be my first video. We have a lot of cleanup to do, so we're gonna have at it. I'll show you a little bit of what it looks like now, and then we'll do some cleanup and then take another video. Okay, everyone, we have some helpers out here. We're taking this center bed that we've had forever, which is really too wide to really work the middle. So we're gonna dig a trench in the middle, put a few more boards, just make this into 2 boxes. So that's one of the goals for this weekend. Also, we have just a lot of mess because we had such a hard winter, and we still do have some things growing here. Collards and things that were really cold tolerant were okay, but other things, you know, are dead down to the ground. So anyways, we'll pull that up, clean up maybe some of these other ones, and get our box rebuilt and go from there. We'll talk to you in a bit, maybe a day or less. All right, we're done with day one of the garden cleanup, and yeah, we got that box split in half. Pretty good. Having helpers made it go by pretty quick, so that was really nice. Tomorrow we'll probably also trim up this fig tree. It's pretty interesting. If you look at it, that's where we trimmed it last year. So I don't know if you can tell, it's about like, on me, like waist high. So all of this growth, all these dark browns that go up about 6, 7, 8 feet are all just last year's growth. So yeah, it's okay. It fills out the area nicely, but when it starts to get into the driveway a little too much, it gets to be a pain. So we'll trim that way back down again, probably to the same area, and start over, and still probably have hundreds of figs on it. So anyways, yeah, a little more cleanup tomorrow, and let's get those garbage cans out of the view. All right, anyways, we'll see you tomorrow for a little more cleanup and wrap up. All right, bye. All right, so obviously we got some weather here, and didn't get through as much as we thought with getting everything cleaned up, but got the boxes built, and yeah, we'll wait for all this snow to melt, and then we'll have at it. Anyways, have a good weekend, good day. See you next time.